Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you the difference between opacity and visibility. So in order to get started, I created a new project which has contained this file and the main file, and I'm returning as a home screen the home screen in here, which is contained this column that contain the containers above each others. So we have three containers in here, one red, one amber, and one green color. And each one of these containers has height and width of 180. So let's get started now. Now let's try to do the work on the middle one. For example, let's come here and wrap this container by a widget. Let's wrap it by a widget called visibility. And this visibility takes few arguments. The one that we need to hide it is the visible. If I change this to true, it's by default true, nothing will change. If I change it to false, as you can see, it disappeared, and also the size of the container disappeared. It's not appearing on the screen. But if we use the opacity, it takes an assert called opacity, and it is a value, double value. For example, we can choose a value between 1 or 2. If I change it to 0, as you can see, a white space appeared, which is the height and width of this container. But if I change it to 1, it will appear like this. So it's actually hiding the widget, but its place will remain on the screen. So it always will make space on the screen, which is the height and width of the container in our case. If I change this to 0.4, as you can see, it will appear but with low brightness. So you can play with this as much as you want, but if you want to hide a widget totally, you can wrap it by visibility. Okay, you can try, for example, on this one, here visibility, for example, and put visible to false, and I will change this one to opacity and give opacity of 0.2, for example. As you can see, here it is, the first one disappeared, and the last one takes opacity like a brightness of 0.2. So that was for this tutorial. See you in next tutorials.